Hi guys, in today's video we are going to be answering a common question, that is, can someone send money to a Chime account if they don't have Chime? So the answer is yes, and I'm also going to explain the different ways it can be done. So first off, you need to start by opening your Chime application on your phone. When you are inside, you just have to navigate to the account details. Inside it, you will find the routing number and the account number associated with your Chime checking account. You can provide your routing number and the account numbers to the sender, and these details allow someone to at another bank or financial institution to send the money directly to your Chime account via ACH transfer. Now, this was the first method, but if the sender uses some of the other services like Venmo, PayPal, Cash App, they may also be able to send the money to you via the platforms depending on how your accounts are linked. You can also basically monitor your Chime account's activity for the incoming transfers. Processing times may vary by the institution, so some of the transfers may arrive faster than others. So these are some of the options with the help of which someone can definitely send you the money inside your Chime account. Thank you.